Today we're going to talk about new workflows, or maybe new to you, maybe some that have been around, and give you a good refresher. We'll go in first on setting up your existing conditions, your profile, your existing type files, using some of the reality capture workflows and the InfraWorks tools that we have built natively into the software suite, and getting into streamlining and automating a few different tasks with our planned production and just optimizing Civil 3D. Avoiding unnecessary steps in the workflow and just speed up some things, help with the productivity. We'll talk about clarity for Civil 3D and that automation process as well. It's a pretty cool tool that we have here at IMAGINiT. So we'll show you some of the cool things that can do, not only to automate the process and help you with the picks and clicks and the time on that, but also outsourcing that computing power when publishing and e-transmitting and those kind of things, putting that over on the Clarity servers is pretty cool. And then we'll just do a quick overview on the digital forms tool, IMAGINiT Forms Connected. So very cool stuff. So we'll touch base on that as well.